coming out of Basingstoke Station, and I'm going to make my way to the shed. I'm going to find the Southern Region shed, which was 70G I think, and you have to follow this path. I think it may have changed a little bit since the directions. Maybe not, maybe I should go down there. These are directions to Basingstoke Southern Region shed, 70D, and this is from my trusty old, although tatty, shed guide, and it tells me that the walking time is around about 5 minutes. Yes, this looks like the way, and there should be a railway tunnel to the right here. Good, I'm going the right way. So I've got to go through the left tunnel. Apparently there are 2 tunnels here. I can only see one at the moment. But the shed was over in that area, just over there. North of the line and west of the station. I'm getting excited now, seeing what's going to be on shed. Oh, there's the other tunnel. I definitely know I'm going the right way now. It should be just through this tunnel on the left. There's a train just going overhead at the moment. I don't know whether you can hear it or not. But just as you come out of this tunnel, there used to be a path to the left which took you to the shed. I know it's gone now. It's some kind of a retirement home or something, I think. But I think I might be able to get in here. I think there's a gate. If it's open, I'll be going to be able to get in. Please be open. Oh, good, thank goodness for that. Got a few steps to negotiate now. There's a train going past. And ladies and gentlemen, this is it. This was the site of the Southern Region Basingstoke Shed. Thanks for watching. We'll find some more soon. Bye for now.